If you drive for Uber, Lyft, or food delivery platforms, you are an independent contractor, which means you are your own boss. Because there is no employer-employee relationship, these platforms do not withhold or pay taxes for you. That means you are responsible for reporting your income and paying taxes yourself. So the big question is there anything special about taxes for Uber, Lyft, and delivery drivers? Yes, and you need to understand it clearly. Tax summary for the year first. Uber drivers can download the annual tax summary directly from their Uber account. This summary shows your total income, your mileage, and your expenses. It usually includes items like tolls, airport fees, service fees, fuel, vehicle depreciation, and maintenance. Form 1099K. Next is Form 1099K. This is an official IRS tax document that reports your gross driving income. Uber will issue a 1099K only if both conditions are met. You earned over $20,000 and completed more than 200 trips or deliveries in the year. Form 1099 MISC. You may also receive Form 1099 MISC. This form reports bonuses, referral rewards, and other incentive income. If this income reaches $600 or more, Uber will issue a 1099 MISC. 2 ways to deduct vehicle expenses. When filing taxes, drivers can choose one of 2 methods. Option 1, standard mileage deduction. For 2025, the IRS mileage rate is $0.70 per mile. If you choose standard mileage, it already includes vehicle depreciation, car or lease payments, maintenance and repairs, gas and oil insurance and registration. So these costs cannot be deducted again. Option 2, actual expense method. With this method, you can deduct your real vehicle expenses, including gas, repairs, insurance, depreciation, and more. However, expenses must be calculated based on business use mileage, and all receipts must be saved and organized. Expense is deductible under both methods. No matter which method you choose, you can still deduct parking fees, tolls, car, washes, garage, rent, vehicle accessories, equipment or radio repairs, business phone expenses, platform service fees. Always keep your receipts. Mileage tracking is very important. Uber and Lyft usually only track miles with passengers. They do not track miles driven to pick up passengers, miles driven after drop-off. To avoid missing deductions, drivers should track all work-related mileage themselves. What documents do we need? For first-year drivers, please prepare 1099K or 1099 MISC vehicle purchase or lease agreement. Start date of driving, total and business mileage. Expense summaries from the platform, your own expense records. What if you didn't receive a 1099? Even if you did not receive a 1099, you are still required to report all income. You'll need bank statements, expense receipts, mileage records. The IRS has strict documentation rules, so keeping good records can protect you during an audit. Final reminder, no matter what forms you received, all income earned through Uber, Lyft, or delivery platforms must be reported. Closing, thank you for watching. At Mr. He Tax Service, our mission is compliant tax filing with maximum refunds. We help drivers, individuals, and small businesses stay legal and save more. Call us today to schedule your consultation. 808-450-7800.